electrodes, thousands of tiny electrodes, each one listening to a neuron's whisper, and every capable of delivering an electric pulse. This is where biology and hardware merge. A neuron fires, MEA records, MEA pulses, neuron responds. It's a two-way street of electricity and life. So tell me, if a neuron on a dish can be stimulated, learn patterns, and send signals, what's the difference between this chip and your thinking brain? Are you truly you, or just a more complex MEA? We are not just creating machines. We are cultivating minds. Minds without memories, yes, but capable of forming them. Minds without language, yet able to solve games, recognize patterns, even exhibit simple learning. If you don't feel a chill down your spine yet, congratulations. Your moral compass just short-circuited. Let's drink coffee. Episode 3. What can it do? CL1 capabilities. It's learned Pong. What else can it learn? Imagine a brain. Not yours, not human, but alive in a dish. And it just beat you at Pong. No keyboard, no screen, no lamps. Just neurons firing, adapting, learning. You think you are special because you think. Well, it's time to update your self-image. This is CL1, a biological computer. And no, I'm not talking about some silicon junk with fantasy code. I'm talking about living cells, engineered neurons, a thinking machine, not digital, not artificial, but something stranger. Biological intelligence without a brain. CL1 can learn, yes, you heard me, learn like you did, but with less whining and more efficiency. Dish brain, one of its kind, literally taught itself how to play Pong, not by watching tutorials, not by being programmed. It adapts through feedback. Like a child, only faster, only purer. Still not impressed? You shouldn't just be impressed. You should be terrified, because it doesn't stop at games. These biocomputers are now being used to model disease, test drugs, even simulate neurodegeneration. Why? Because unlike your laptop, they don't simulate life. They are live. And guess what? They respond to their environment. They change based on experience. You still think intelligence only comes from consciousness, that soul and mind are reserved for humans. That's cute. Let me break it to you. If neurons in a dish can learn, adapt, react, what makes you different? A mirror, an Instagram account? Please, if something can learn, it can evolve. And if it evolves, it can outperform you. We have crossed a threshold from artificial to living machines. And CL1 is just a prologue. Think, if learning is nothing to adaptive pattern recognition, why do you assume it's uniquely human? You are not a mystery. You are an algorithm dressed in flash. And now a petri dish learned too.